Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to share with you this effective traditional remedy to constant headaches and sleeplessness. We'll be using this vegetable called water leaf. Water leaf has been known as a remedy to a lot of health challenges. Water leaf, amongst its other health benefits, promotes good heart health. It's also an antioxidant, but today we'll be focusing on constant headaches and sleeplessness. Now we are washing it for the last time. Make sure you wash it with very clean water. And after washing, you leave it in your sieve to drain out the excess water. Leave it in your sieve for as long as the water is drained out, because we are not using the excess water. If you observe, the water leaf is still in my sieve because I do not want any extra water. One hand, you go ahead and put it in your blender, just one hand. Drinking water, 1 glass of water in. This drink relieves you of stress, headaches, sleeplessness. Try it and let me know in the comment section how it was for you. So let's go ahead and blend. Now we have blended. It will be assumed that this drink will be slimy, but not at all. You make the drink at home and let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. It's now in our sieve. We'll use a spoon and stir to get out the liquid, the water, and we'll discard the smoothie part of it. It's not slimy at all. It's just like water. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if this video has been of any help to you, please smash the like button. I've sieved it through. I'm going to discard this smoothie part of it. It's the water we are making use of. So this is our drink. Go ahead and try this and let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Please remember, this drink should not be taken more than twice per week.